Glitch. Is this the right place? Oh. Okay. Where did you get that glitch?
I don't know.
And you see, no more scarier.
I look more scarier?
Yeah.
Oh, that's something.
Look at me.
Oh
I have
God.
actual eyes.
God, my voice changes a little bit. What?
Where's the night guard at?
I don't know.
I like how you can rip one like this.
My voice changes like to a girl to a boy. Now I'm scared.
Why is there a tree?
I don't know. So how's your day?
I don't know. I have this little thingy in my hand.
What?
I have this little thing in my hand.
Give me that, give me that, give me
What's
that, give me
this?
that. Give me that, give me that.
What's this?
We can go somewhere. It's called the portal timer.
Okay.
We can go wherever we want, like minigame.
Why minigames? Are only serious?
Yes, we need to go to the minigame.
Why?
Please?
Why?
My voice won't glitch anymore.
Why?
Because my voice won't glitch anymore.
Did you use the portal timer to change your voice?
No. That's not how it works.
But didn't it in the past just make a portal in the past? Didn't it change someone's voice in the past?
I used to sound like this too.
But why did you change it to sound like this?
My voice used to sound like this.
You just sounded like static. We're talking.
I know.
I just heard a high frequency. Glitch.
We're here.
Where's this place?
See, my voice is not glitching anymore.
It's glitching. What do you mean?
What do you mean it's glitching?
You just said glitch anymore 2 times.
I think it still does it sometimes. Just sometimes.
What should we do?
Murder. What?
Murder?
Yes.
Look it.
Murder.
Oh my god. Oh god.
What?
What?
Is it too laggy for you?
Yeah.
Oh.
The game starts.
Yay. So how's your day?
I'm a sheriff.
You're a sheriff?
Yes, I am.
I'm innocent. Oh God, I still glitch a little bit. I don't think it worked. I think it just made it worse. Can you hear me properly?
Yeah?
Okay, good. I see. Oh! Someone just threw a knife.
Who is it?
Someone just threw a knife
I'm dead.
You died. I'm
Spectate.
scared.
I'm now a ghost.
You're now a ghost. Nice.
I'm spectating you now.
I'm scared.
I died. I'm the sheriff and I died.
I don't.
I've been deafened. I've been stabbed. It's that person.
No. There's two people.
Get 10 coins.
Two. I know.
I'm literally flying in front of you right now.
Oh.
I'm a ghost.
So how's your day?
It's been dead.
It's been dead?
I've been dead.
Oh, you've been dead. That's nice.
Ghosts can still get sick.
I know. That's weird.
I lost you.
No, I shot him by accident.
You shot the wrong one. Oh my god. There's only like 11 people left. I look like I got a tint of paint on me.
What?
I look like I got a tint of paint on me.
Oh.
I'm right in front of you. Why are you staying still?
I don't know.
Why is there a skull on the ground? There's a skull.
Oh.
There's a bunch of, oh god, there's only 6 people left.
Oh god.
The murderer might win. No, he's turning to a grave. Are you gonna come back as a ghost, or are we gonna start a new game? I see people.
What?
I see people.
Oh.
Why is your name tag that?
What do you mean my name tag? I don't have a name tag on me.
You do have a name tag.
And that's yours.
Okay, I'm innocent this time.
I'm innocent too.
And someone just died.
Oh god. Actually, 2 people just died. Actually, no, 1? I don't know. And another person just died.
Oh my god.
Oh, Flip!
Oh my god, people.
It's a girl that has red stuff behind her, and she has a black sweater, and she has a black arrow. Well, that's your fault.
Did you not
You
know?
shouldn't have stand by.
No, we're not allowed to say that here.
Why? Is it a low bit line? That's why.
No, it's,
I'm a glitch. I remember stuff really good. Wait,
No.
where are you?
I got disconnected.
Oh. Well, I guess I'm gonna be on my own. You wanna go back to the pizzeria?
Sure.
I just saw the murderer.
I'm gonna go back to the pizzeria now.
Rock.
There, beep, boop, 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 boop.